everyone, my name is Tina and welcome to the Sunshine Hina channel. During the last month, I made videos about my keyboard, how I restored an SNES, and how I got a PSVR for $4. But this time around, I want to show you something more unique, maybe more obscure. These are the McDonald's McNuggets Tetris games. These are absolutely real. They are China exclusive, but I got a hands on them. And as you can see, it's a totally official collab between Tetris and McDonald's. I got to know this about a month ago, and they are here for weeks now. I was just busy with other projects. But finally, now is the time to open it up together. And also I just bought a spare one to put on my shelf. And I'm gonna put an unopened piece here in safety. I mean, of course safety. Who would open a sealed collectible? That's considered a war crime. And I think the best part to start with it is obviously the box. Here in the front it just says Tetris video game. And it's kind of funny because Tetris in Chinese is literally just Russian blocks. On the back you can see the most basic specifications. It's a Tetris game, the model number. Also that apparently the minimum age to use this is 8 years. And I'm pretty sure when I was 8 I was already eating McNuggets and playing those Game & Watch Happy Meal games. So I'm sorry for all Chinese kids under the age of 8. And it has a bunch of codes for which standards it passed, where it was made, and finally this product has passed all the factory quality inspections. So it better work. Something funny though, even though it mentions you should use it from the age of 8, literally in the next row for all the warnings, it literally starts with because it containing small parts, it's not suitable for anyone under 3. So is it 3 or 8? Make up your mind. And it also mentions in the middle to only use this product under adult supervision. I don't know if it counts if I am already an adult, but just to make sure. I also have my cat here who's gonna supervise everything I'm doing. So I think we talked about this box literally as much as we could. If you're interested in the box, there's a McDonald's logo, there's a Tetris logo, it says 1 and go. So yes, let's go. Are you guys ready to finally open this up? This is literally my first time seeing this as well. It's gonna be a great moment. It's a historic moment in YouTube history. Careful with it. Oh my god, it is actually much bigger than I thought. I thought it's gonna be like this little. Once you take out this little plastic container, there is nothing else in the box. And as for the package itself, as you can see, we have some stickers as far as I know. I've seen people on Bilibili, which is like a Chinese YouTube, they're like taking out their names and like sticking there. You have the whole alphabet here, so you can put those stickers either here or somewhere else. Oh my god, guys, do you see what I'm seeing? They were ahead of their time. And it says Happy Children's Day, which was on June 1st. So I guess it was released for Children's Day. I didn't even know this, but it's good to know. On to the actual thing now. As far as I'm aware, these are exactly the same warnings. But it also has a little instruction telling you how to put in 2 batteries. So I guess I'm not gonna have a problem with that. And there's also a little bit of a guide. We have right and left and 20 times speed up, which is just gonna pull the blocks faster. Down to the bottom in 0.0001 second. I don't know why you had to be so specific, but this is basically just instantly on the bottom. We have an on, pause and start, light display on or off, sound on or off, and the rotations. Wait a second. Comes with batteries? I am pretty sure it's not allowed to send batteries internationally. Right. I have seen nothing. We also have to turn it on. And oh my god, I'm gonna show you the intro sequence because it already starts. So power button turns it on. Wow. Do you hear it? I really hope I don't have to explain the UI because this is just any Tetris game ever. There's the little McDonald's logo there. I think there's gonna be more levels, highest score, and obviously the next piece. Oh, I can choose levels! So there are 15 levels in total. 1 to 15. I have to say it's very hard to record it because the viewing angles are not great. Some of the camera sees the screen properly, That means I'm seeing this in like this angle. I'm gonna start with level 1 just to show you how it works. Obviously I could complete level 15 in one go, no problem. Just I'm gonna showcase, you know. Or wait, you can just rotate with this. I'm not sure how visible it is, but it's like it's rotating. You can also click it, but it's also rotating. I would be surprised if this knob like actually can register rotation. We're gonna see that soon. So let's see how this works. Okay, so these are not like an actual rotation, just like this. Okay, so this is like, oh, this is the instant, and this is like the make it faster. Okay, I'm not good in Tetris, this is just a disclaimer. Don't expect great gameplay. I wanna clear at least one row. Amazing. Okay, but what happens if it's game over? It just says game over. Good. No, it just good. Good job. Good job. Okay. Oh my god. This is BMing me. And even the 2 exclamation mark. And the heart. Oh my god. What is the hardest level? I kind of want to see it. 15? Holy... Oh my god. You have to like know the pieces. Okay, this is... Oh my... Okay, never mind. Nope, I'm not gonna play Tetris on camera. But there is one more thing I kind of wanted to do. Since my yesterday's video got kind of popular, and it seems like people are interested what's inside these devices, kind of want to open them up. There are like these triangle proprietary screws for opening this up. But why would you have proprietary screws for a Tetris game? Okay, all of them are out. I am ready to open this thing up. Actually, it's probably the best idea to have the batteries out as well. I'm actually curious if there is like a big board in it or just like a super tiny one and all of these are just fluff. Are you guys ready? Okay. Oh my god. There's no way. It is running on an actual McNuggets? Guys, I have to tell you something. I was making a joke on you. With modern video technology, I joked you all. I literally just almost choked on the McNuggets. Grimace, is this your doing? I really don't want to break those cables because I'm way too lazy to solder them on. But as you can see, here is the speaker. These green cables, and they're just a super simple connection that gives the power from the little batteries. These are all glued and taped in. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws keeping this board in. And also it's kind of interesting to see that it was manufactured in February. So it has been quite a long since the manufacturing day 2 is actually being available. Now that all the screws out. So first of all, here is how the board itself is. As you can see, just the normal little membrane buttons. You can also take out these little buttons. These are nothing special, just in one piece. And it also explains why this little rotate button is rotating. Now as for the screen, well, I have honestly no idea how this works, but there is no like direct cables going from the main board to here. I think the solution is in these 2 little pads on the side, just like touching these 2 here. Those line up. Definitely interesting to see. This is not what I expected. So hey future Hina, research it and leave a note here. Hello past Hina. I was clueless about it too, until a wonderful person replied to my post on Mastodon and told me that the elastic thingy on the side of the LCD is called conductive rubber elastomeric connectors or zebra connectors. These rubbers basically have different regions, and those regions just simply have the electricity get from the board to the LCD. So I'm genuinely happy that I know that now. Thank you, Mastodon. And now, back to you, Pastina. I don't know, I'm not sure where these were. I'm pretty sure these were just here to like... I need to check my footage. Upon further inspection, these little parts were here. Glad that I didn't screw it up. Future Hina probably already explained how this thing works. As for current Hina though, it's time to put it back together and pray that it's still working. Now come those big screws on the end. And if everything went well after I literally put McNuggets inside, it still should... Please. Yes! 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 That was stressful as hell. I accidentally flipped these little plastic things I guess these are making sure that the whole panel is the right height so it makes connection. Definitely it was for content. I knew what the problem was. I'm a professional teardowner. So I hope everyone had fun. Obviously it's not the world's most advanced gaming console. Am I gonna play with this in the future? Probably no, but it's definitely a super obscure McDonald's item, so for that alone, I'm incredibly happy that I got it. This whole package is pretty nice. They're definitely better than those game watches I've gotten when I was young. So props to McDonald's China, and if you're interested in more content, at this point I don't even know what kind of videos I make, but if you liked it, then maybe you like my next one. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and see you in the next video.